Yes. So very good evening to you all people. So I'm warmly welcoming each and everyone to Sufno Technologies, who's going to learn here TCS NQT training, right? So here you will be having the series of training here. So that is the training will be of 5 days training. So 5 days training, you will be learning all the TCS NQT, what they will be expecting and what are all the things you want to learn. You will be learning everything here, right? So what is TCS NQT? Many of you people don't know about what is TCS NQT. Yes or no? Yes or no? So just answer all the questions in chat box. Yes, this is ma'am Lakshmi. This is not sir. Yes. So many of you people don't know what is TCS NQT and who are the people should write the all the TCS exams and all, right? So I will tell you each and I will clear you all your doubts, right? So now we'll tell you what is TCS NQT actually. So TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Service. So TCS is a big MNC company throughout the world, one of the MNC company throughout the world, right? So they are conducting, they want to hire many developers, right? So it is going to be conducted by the TCS, that is who's hiring your freshers that should experience should less than having 2 years of experience across all over India, right? Yes, this is the national qualifier test, right? That's great, ma. Right? So this is the exam they are going to hire all the developers, right? That is they are just giving the opportunities to opportunities to freshers and all, right? So all the freshers can apply and they will also have some eligibilities to apply, right? So TCS NQT is nothing but it is a prerequisite for all the tests, right? So 2 years validity of 2 years you should attend, 2 year validity of NQT score. With the help of your NQT score you can easily uh, can participate inside your TCS any event, right? So, and candidates with NQT score will be eligible to apply TCS Ion also, right? So, inside they will be having TCS Digital also. If you are qualified with TCS Digital for 2 years with the score, you can apply job in TCS, right? So, it will be conducted in the online test and will be the physical center will be in TCS Ion authorized exam centers will be there, right? So you can apply any entry level role in corporate with the NQT score. So with the help of your NQT score, you can easily apply any role inside your TCS company, right? So here's your next slide. So first, who will be the eligibility for this TCS? That is UG students and PG students and diploma students in their pre-final year and final year of study. Those people can apply. So and also eligibility, that is the passed out students, that is 2018, 2019 and 2021, 22 peoples also can apply, right? So students with any degree and specialization and disciplined degree can apply here, right? So you people can apply BTech, BSc and BCA and BE students and MCA, MBA, all the students can apply here, right? And freshers should have within less than 2 years of experience should be there, right? So freshers mean freshers also can apply and anyone is having experience and those should experience should have less than 2 years, right? So those people also can apply the TCS NQT and age limit should be 18 years and maximum 18 years should be there, right? And the main thing will be you should have whenever you are applying your TCS NQT, main thing if you are learning and 10th standard, 12th standard and UG degree, you should have more than 60 percentage in all the things. You should have more than 60 percentage that people alone can apply. BCom students, if you know the development, you can apply, ma. That is, if you're having any coding knowledge, you can apply, or else if you're having any verbal aptitude people, you can apply, right? So age limit will be 18 years and will about a maximum of 20 years can apply. And what we are going to have is, so next will be, there is no marks criteria for November NQT. No. Okay, Sanjay. right? And 10th standard and 12th standard and UG degree, you should have more than 60% or 6 CGPA, right? So if you're learning PG, that is MCA or MTech or ME of learning, means you should have, yes ma, arts degree also can apply ma. If we don't have more than, you're not eligible for TCS NQT ma. Yes, Ninja, both are same da. So if you're having any arrear, you should have only one backlog, right? And after completing your degree, you should not have any backlogs, right? So only full-time courses will be considered here. No part-time courses and no correspondent courses will be applied for here for TCS NQT exam, right? So this is your TCS NQT syllabus, ma'am. So first will be your numerical ability. Hello, ma'am. I was a TCS employee. I left and joined for my PG course. Am I allowed to apply? Yes, you can. Yes, you can apply. But you should have less than 2 years of experience. Okay, ma'am. So here's your TCS NQT syllabus, ma'am. So you will be having different sections. So first section, you will be having numerical ability. So inside your numerical ability, you will be having 26 question and 40 minutes. This is your updated pattern, right? So 26 question and 40 minutes will be there, and you should solve 26 question, right? And verbal ability, so 24 questions will be there and 30 minutes of time will be given. So you need to solve 24 questions within 30 minutes, right? So then you will be having your reasoning ability. So 30 questions, and 30 questions you will be solving in 50 minutes, right? And programming logic is nothing but MCQs. So 10 question you will be solving in 15 minutes, right? And hands-on coding, 2 codings will be there. So one question will be equal to 15 minutes and another question you should solve in 30 minutes. So totally you will be having 92 question and 180 minutes you need to solve each and every question, right? So here in this webinar series, I'm going, one day you will be learning, today you're going to learn verbal ability, and tomorrow, so each and every day we will be learning these 5 concepts here, right? So try to attend each and every day, that is continuously 5 days session are there. So try to attend the 5 days and get hope. And while learning this, while attending this webinar, you will not get your job actually. You should, if there is no coding knowledge, means then what to do? If you're not having any coding knowledge, they will be seeing your numerical ability and verbal ability and reasoning ability. So what score you are getting on that? Based on that performance, they will conduct an interview for you. They will be considering. Shall we get the recording videos? Will tell you, ma. Right. So, yeah. What I told, ma, what I told you before now, up to which I have stopped. Yes. Up to which I have stopped. Jobs. Before jobs. Yes. So by learning by each and every cooperation and by learning by your own only, you will be getting. So yes, till 5 days, new syllabus. Yes. So this will be like frequently asked the question also be here, whatever I'm teaching. And you people need to learn more. Learn a lot. Right? No, ma, this was not a certificate session. If there is option for to attempt in remote areas, it is not possible in TCS center. Yes, it is possible. Manish, this is the question paper pattern, ma. Please don't scribble inside the screen, ma. Please, people, don't scribble. This is the question pattern, paper pattern, Manish. Right? So you should learn a lot and you should prepare. By learning this concept alone, you will not get a job. You need to work a lot. Right? You need to work a lot and you need to read a lot. This is just a sample question. What, how they will be asking and what is TCS NQT and how to register everything here, they will be given that's alone, right? So here, what are all the questions? Okay, Manish. So you should learn a lot for this, right? So we are going to start the session now. So, and this is your cutoff marks, what they will be asking, right? So, aptitude, cutoff mark will be 21 and suggested time will be 1 minute 30 seconds. And the most difficult part will be geometry. And for 98th percentile, you should get your 23 marks, right? So, and verbal, cutoff should be 18 marks and suggested time will be 1 minute 5 seconds. And inside this will be reading comprehension will be very difficult, and 19th percentile will be 20, right? So in logical reasoning, you will be having 30 cutoff marks and 1 minute 20 seconds will be there, and the most difficulty will be seating arrangement part, right? So 19th percentile will be 27. And programming logic, 7 cutoff marks should get, and suggested time will be 40 seconds. So most difficult part will be trees, right? So 90th percentile will be 9. So coding 1, a cutoff mark 1, at least you need to solve one question. So 15 to 30 minutes should be having, and data structure will be your difficult part, and 90th percentile will be 1.5, right? So this will be your cutoff data, right? So now what you are going to learn is TCS NQT verbal. So what they will be expecting inside your TCS NQT verbal. So inside your verbal, you will be having 24 questions, ma. So 24 questions. So today in the session, we are going to learn about verbal section, right? So 26 section, sorry, 24 question. So 24 question you need to solve in 30 minutes. So you can expect the topics expected from reading comprehension. So many reading comprehension will be asked. Inside this reading comprehension, they will give you the passage and you should answer for that passage, right? So then close passage and sentence correction. So inside this sentence correction, you will be having tenses, prepositions, articles, subject, verb, agreement, and parallelism and modifiers and all. Then you will be having sentence completion and vocabularies also. So synonyms, antonyms, idioms, phrases, phrasal verbs will be there, and voices and forms of speech will be there, and parajumbles. Nandakrishna, ma'am, may I have your number? I have so many doubts asked you, which I have to share pics of that. Yes, Nandakrishna, at the end of the session, I will give you. Right. Yes. So these are all the things they will be asking. So first, reading comprehension. So they will be giving you the paragraph, and we need to answer for that particular questions what they are asking, right? So this will be your just go through it. I will show you the question. You people need to answer all the questions, right? So first paragraph, read the passage carefully and choose the best answer to each question out of the 4 alternatives, right? So I'll read the paragraph. You also will read the paragraph. Please don't scribble in the screen, ma. So cat was saved. So the killer killed the cat. Superb, Dama. So here the screen is there. Yes, this is the screen. So what you're going to learn is, so just go through the screen. So whichever superlative description you apply to the Himalayas, the 3000 kilometers, yes, screen is visible. Superb, Dama. Yes. So whichever superlative description you apply to the Himalayas, the 3000 kilometers long mountain range with peaks more than 8000 meters high won't be enough to capture its grandeur. So spectacular. So spectacular, awesome, majestic, breathtaking, stunning, and magnificent. None of these adjectives does justice to these mountains known as the roof of the world. Little wonder that local people revere them as scared. The home of the gods, the abode of the supreme soul, and the travelers come from all over the world. Just go through this. I will share you the next slide. Just go through this. I will share you the next slide. Yes, just go through this. I will share you the next slide. Yes. Check my screen is visible now. Yes, visible. Thank you so much. So here's your first question, first paragraph. So whichever superlated description, you can apply this to the Himalayas. Just you have, I hope you all have gone through this slide, right? So now this is your second slide. So some of the Asia's greatest river spring to life in the Himalayas, the Ganges and Yangtze and Brahmaputra among them. So the peaks, foothills, and plains are host to species such as elusive snow leopard and the Bengal tiger, red panda, black bear, bearded vulture, and perhaps even a yeti or two. Right. So I know now we at the World Wildlife Fund (WWF) can add to that particular list. Right. So a recent report reveals that no fewer than 244 plants, 16 amphibians, 16 reptiles and 14 fish, 2 birds and 2 mammals and at least 60 invertebrates have been discovered by scientists in the Himalayas over the past 10 years. So the Himalayan range is home to some 12,000 species of plants, mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians and freshwater fish. The number of new species discovered and investigated and verified by WWF in the eastern Himalayas between 1998 and 2008 equates to 35 fines every year. Just go through this for 2 seconds. I will share the next slide. Just go through it. So here's your next slide. So they remind us that despite for our advances in knowledge, we can still be surprised, says our conversation advisor. Mark Wright, if you ever needed a reminder of what we are striving to protect, discoveries like these have the power to do just that. Among the latest discoveries are a bright green frog, which uses its long, red, webbed feet to glide through the air. 3 species of scorpion, one of the which is the first scorpion to be found in Nepal. Right. And there is the miniature muntjac or leaf deer at just over half a meter tall. This is the world's smallest deer species. Equally extraordinary is the Namcha Barwa Canyon. Most people are blissfully unaware of the gods, says Mark. Yet it's 250 kilometers long and in places twice as deep as the Grand Canyon. Just take a 2 seconds of time. Just go through it. Yes. So here's your next slide. So when a couple of Chinese scientists ventured into it recently, they discovered a new ultramarine blue plant that not only flashes throughout the year but also charges color according to their air temperature. Other plant discoveries include a pure white orchid and a 15-meter high palm tree. Our study focused on the eastern Himalayas, an area that amazingly spans 5 countries and a wide range of temperature. Nature doesn't respect boundaries, and working together on environmental issues therefore vital. The Himalayas are likely to be hard hit by the effect of the climate change. Many regions have their own microclimates, and already we are seeing significant changes. Some species of wildlife and vegetation are moving up hillsides, and seasonal rainfall has become less predictable, which can sometimes result in extreme conditions ranging from drought to flooding and uncertainty for farmers. Just go through it. Just go through it. So here, many communities in the Himalayas still live in isolation, and they remain deeply dependent on the resources nature provides. So other issues which need discussion and agreement between the governments of the countries affected are cross-border trade in wildlife, timber felling, and the harvesting of the medicinal plants. Critically, we want to ensure that 50,000 square kilometers of forest, grasslands, and wetlands are protected and well connected. This will help to save globally threatened species such as the Asian elephant and the rhino, whose populations we constantly monitor. And we will continue to help local communities to live in harmony with their natural surroundings. So with that secured, it's surely only a matter of time before the Himalayas will reveal yet more secrets. Let's just go through it. So you people have to, ma'am, it's not visible. My screen is not visible, Ada. Screen is visible, right? Yes or no? Yeah. So go through it for 2 seconds. I will share the next slide. You people have to answer all those things in the chat box, right? So when a couple of Chinese scientists ventured into it recently, they discovered a new ultramarine blue plant that not only flashes throughout the year, but also changes color according to the air temperature. Other plant discoveries include a pure white orchid and a 15-meter high palm tree. So our study focused on the eastern Himalayas, an area that amazingly spans 5 countries and a wide range of temperature. Nature doesn't respect boundaries, and working together on environmental issues is therefore vital. The Himalayas are likely to be hard hit by the effect of the climate change. So many regions have their own microclimates, and already we are seeing significant changes. Some species of wildlife and vegetation are moving up hillsides, and seasonal rainfalls has become less predictable, which can sometimes result in extreme conditions ranging from drought to flooding and uncertainty for farmers. Yes, just go through for 3 seconds. But for some people not visible, ask them to leave and rejoin. Yes, but those are not screen is not visible, you people can rejoin again, right? So here's your next. So now just answer the question. So what is the speciality of the ultramarine blue plant? So can change the color of the flower according to the air, can exist in the extreme conditions, provides the biggest flower, and none of the above. So all people are telling answer is A. Yes, superb, Dhamma. Your answer is A. That's great. Okay, fine. So what is the speciality of the... So only one question will be here, right? So you will be having one question. So next passage. So I have just shown. So you will see the next package, right? So they remind us that despite our advances in knowledge, we can still be surprised, says our conversation advisor. Mark Wright, if ever you needed a reminder of that, what we were sitting, striving to the protect, discoveries like these have the power to do just that. Among the latest discoveries are a bright green frog, which uses its long red webbed feet to glide through the air. So 3 species of scorpion, one of the which is the scorpion to be found in Nepal, and this is already we have learned, I hope, right? So there's a miniature muntjac or leaf deer. So at just over half a meter tall, there is a world smallest deer species. Equally extraordinary is the Namcha Barwa Canyon. Most people are blissfully unaware of this gulch, right? So same question is here. Now, miniature muntjac is the world's smallest dash species. What is the answers? Answer is deer, right? So miniature muntjac is the world's smallest deer, right? So see here, muntjac or leaf deer, it is the miniature of deer, right? So next. So the number of new species discovered per year in the eastern Himalayas between 1998 and 2008. So 12,335 above. Yes. Yes, your answer will be 35. Your answer is 35. They have asked the question that 1998 and 2008, right? So between the 2008, they have discovered only 35 finds every year. So 35 is the answer. 35 is the answer, ma. So read the paragraph carefully, Dama. This is the mistake you are doing inside your exams. Actually, what they have discovered per year in the Eastern Himalayas between 1998 and 2000. See, between 1998 and 2008 equates to 35. See the last line. So 35 finds every year. So answer will be 35. So whatever paragraph you are learning, just learn everything, right? So your answer is 35. Right? So here, so why should 50,000 squares of kilometers of forest, grassland and wetlands be protected and well connected? Yes. What is the answer? Answer C. Yes, to help save globally threatened species. Superb, Dhamma. So now we are going to learn sentence correction. So now sentence correction. So you will be having the sentence, you need to find the error inside the sentence, right? So in the following question, one part of the sentence may have an error. So find out which part of the sentence has an error. If the sentence is free from error, select no error option. So now, I need to get to the house in Lansdowne Road by 10 o'clock. So any option, ma? So error is in, they are asking where is the error. So I need to get to the house in, whether this line is error or Lansdowne Road by or 10 o'clock is the error or no error. Many of you are saying option A, B, C. A, B, C, no error. No error. D, 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 B, 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 then. $10 o'clock, right? Your actual answer is, I need to get to the houses. What I need to get to the house and what is the error? Can you tell me? What is the I need to get the house. I need to go to the house. What is the error inside to? Yes, I need to go to the house or I need to get the house. Right? I need to go to the house or I need to get the house. Get the house is the line is correct. I need to go to the house is the correct answer, right? Yes, so this is one type of sentence correction. Right? So just get into the house. Superb, Dhamma. Go to the house or I need to get into the house. Superb, Dhamma. So you can be anything, but I need to get to the house is not the correct statement, right? I need to go to the house or I need to get into the house will be correct. Right? Yes, I'll just moving to the second question. So it is essential that you study well, but we might have to fail you. So what is the error here? It is essential that or you study well, but or we might have to fail you. What is the answer, da? Option C, we might have to fail you. What is the error, ma? What is the error? Have to. So instead of have to, what should come there? Or we might have to. So instead of might have to, what should be come there? What will come there? Option A. We may have to fail you, otherwise. Actually, your option is you study well, but what will come here? So here we are having the error. So tell me what is the error here? It is essential that sentence incomplete, may have to, but study well is there, right? So what is the error inside this line? You have to study. Yes, but yes, it is essential that you study well or else otherwise if not. So or else will come, otherwise will come, or if not will come, right? So here will be having your error. That is, it is essential that you study well. So study well. After the study well, you should give the comma and but you okay. You should study well. You should study well. Yes, actually, instead of but, you will be having otherwise or else or if not, right? It is essential that you study well or else we might have to fail you. Or instead, we might have to fail you. Or else, if not, we might have to fail you. So, but is wrong. Superb, Dhamma. Right? So, next. By such time, you finish the chapter, I will write a letter. The time when, by time, no improvement. That is, wait. So in this question, you need to find the alternative part. In case no improvement means no improvement. So by such time. What is the answer, Dhamma? B, by the time. Yes. By the time. Yes. So your answer will be by the time. So by the time will be the correct alternative. So by the time you finish the chapter, I will write a letter. Super, Dhamma. Just make a note of it. Yes, make a note of it. Ma, these are all the sample questions. Don't expect these questions will be coming in TCS. You need to learn with the sample question. This is the example question, right? So these type of questions will be asked inside your interview. Don't think that the same question will be asked inside your interview, right? You people need to work hard for this. right? You need to research and you need to learn everything. So this is the sample question, and these type of questions also will be asked in TCS. That's it, right? So next question. So here also you should use the alternative. So Princess Diana is the most beautiful. Please don't scribble in the screen, ma. Or else I will not teach, ma. Please don't scribble in the screen. Many of you are scribbling in the screen. Screen is visible, Ada. Yes. Yeah. So Princess Diana is the most beautiful lady in England and presumably in the entire Europe. Yes. What is the answer? Answer A. A, D, A, D. A. Very and most is the meaning is literally same, right? Most beautiful, A. D, 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 A. Their answer will be no improvement. Actually, most beautiful is the correct sentence. That will be a correct alternative. Precious Diana is the very beautiful lady. You should not tell like this. So she is the most beautiful lady in the England, we can tell, right? Superlative degree. Superb, Dhamma. So you should tell like this. Right? So next. So here also you should find the super alternative degree. So Princess Diana is the most beautiful lady in England. Sorry, same question. Okay. So here also you should find the alternative. So stop fighting for trifle issue. Yes. B. 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 So stop superb Dhamma. So our answer is over. So stop fighting over a trifle issue will be a correct answer. So stop fighting over a trifle issue. Superb Dhamma. Just make a note of it. So here's your next. So this is so unlikely to many of his colleagues being convinced the genes were relatively simple. He adhered to his own complicated ideas. So because many of the colleagues were of the conviction of genes being, so even though many of these colleagues were convinced that genes were contrary with many of the colleagues who were convinced that genes were no improvement. So what is your answer? B, 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 B. B. Correct, huh? B is the answer. Yes. So we'll see the answer. So the answer is option B. So even though many of the colleagues were convinced the genes were relatively simple, he adhered to his own complicated ideas. Right? So this will be your answer. Super people. So here's your next question. The counselor behaved as if he has being the chief minister. As if he has being the chief minister. Tell me the correct answer. A, C, A, C, 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 A, C, A and C. So answer is, if I were the principal or the school, I would have increased the lab hours, right? If I were the principal of the school, I would have increased the lab bus, right? So your answer will be where. The counselor behaved as if he were the chief minister. The counselor behaved as if he were the chief minister. Hypothetical condition. Superb. So if I were the principal of the school, I would have increased the lab bus, right? The counselor behaved as if he were the chief minister, right? So just note it. Right. So here's your next question. So in the following question, some part of the sentence may having errors. So find out which part of the sentence has an error and select the appropriate option if the sentence is free from the error, or I'll select no error. So it seemed quite certain for me that is your A sentence, right? And that someday or other my sister B will be the second error, would offer the position to me. So which statement is having error, ma? A or B or C or no error? B, A. You're telling option A or option B. Like, I don't know whether you're telling option A or option B. Tell the error in the A or B line error or C line error. Would have offer. Option B is the error. B is the error. Someone is telling C is the error. That is would have offer. Yes. B. So answer is A. It seemed quite certain for me. What is the error here? It seemed quite certain for me. What is the error, ma? It seems to be superb. It seems to be quite certain for me. It seems to be quite certain for me. Superb, ma. It seems to be. Seems. No, it should not come as seemed. So the answer will be seems. Right. Right. So your next question. So now some girls are talking prior permission to sport a loosely tight plait on the days they had washed their hair. So no error. So tell me the line which is having error. 1, 2, or 3, or 4. 1, 2, or 3, or 4. 1, 2, or 3, or 4. 1, 2, 3, D. 1, 2, 3, D. 2, 3, 2, 3. Then 4. No error. Yes. So you're telling us answer is 3. So actually answer is 1. Some girls are talking prior permission to. What is the error here? Some girls are talking prior permission to. What is the error? Some girls are take prior. Some girls are talking prior information. Sentence is not finished properly. Superb, Tirumudi Nachiyar. Yes, some girls are. So what will be the correct answer, ma? Some girls take prior permission. Yes, so sentence is not completed yet. So this will be your error, right? Some girls will talking. Girls are asking for, girls are taking a prior permission. Says the sentence is not completed yet. So that sentence will be your error, right? So whatever you're saying it, we can fill anything, but the sentence is not completed yet, right? Some girls will take prior permission. Superb, Dama. So here's your next question. It was impossible for me to punish the old man maid to give vent to my rage. So which line having your error? No error. BC, A, BC, then actually error is in B. So to punish the old man mayor, what does mean by this? Yes, B is the correct answer. Can you tell me what the sentence should come there? What is the error, ma? To punish the old man? Yes, what is the error? 2. For me to punish this, correct, right? Yes, old man merely. So merely will become time. What time today? Up to 8:30, ma. So to punish the old man merely. Superb, Dhamma. So here's your next session. So sentence completion. So you should now we are learning about sentence completion. So as a misogynist hates men, society, women, children. What does mean by misogynist? Men, B, C, D. What does mean by misogynist? What does mean by misogynist? So women. Misogynist is a person who dislikes, despises strongly against a human. Sorry, women, right? So strongly hated towards women, right? So that the who hates women is called as misogynist, right? So next, rice needs plenty of water and dash cotton needs black soil. Rice needs plenty of water and cotton needs black soil. D. Correct, huh? Correct, huh? Correct, huh? D, 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 D. D, 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 whereas. So your answer is D, right? So rice needs plenty of water, whereas cotton needs black soil, right? So this will be the answer. Superb, ma. So next, let me have a dash word with you. Let me have a dash word with you. Quick word. Quick word. See, quick. Quick. So answer is quick. Let me have a quick word with you. Just make a note of it. Yes, so here's your next. What's the good word? The quiz master asked the dash as many hands went up to reply. What is the answer, ma? Yes. Option A. Option A. Option A. Option C. Option D. So here, audience. The quiz master asked the audience as many as hands went up to reply. Right? So audience will be your correct answer. Yes. So next, the plane maneuvered the runway skillfully and they landed safely without anyone dash hurt. Option A. Yeah. So anyone, the plane landed safely and no one dash hurt. And we will be having no one dash hurt. The plane landed safely. So getting. The plan maneuvered the runway skillfully and the landed safely without anyone getting hurt. The plane landed safely and no one getting hurt. No one getting hurt. The plane landed safely. Please don't scribble in the screen. Check my screen is visible now. Yes. Okay, ma. So here's your next question. So next will be para jumbles. So find the four sentence session S1 to S4 paragraph. Sentences S1 to S1 and S4 are given. So from the options PQR, choose the appropriate sentence for S2 and S3. So why do birds sing? So the S4, the length of the complexity of the song, give information about the health of the bird. So options are PQR, right? So what will be the answers here? So QR, QP, PQ, PR. Come on, tell me the answer. PR, sure, PR. PR. So answer will be QR. So what is the QR is? You might assume the birds sing that because they are happy. Why do the birds singing is? If the bird is happy, they will be singing, and birds also sing to find a healthy mate. Right? So this is called the, so QR will be your answer. Right? So let's go through it. Right. So next, arrange the parts of the sentence in meaningful order. So nurturing relationship with the child, the Mandip maternity and the child hospital has developed a workshop to new fathers develop right from the start. So PRQS is the correct order. That is, you should find the meaningful order. So tell me the meaningful order. Just go through it. Option B, option D, option B. So answer is QRPS. So first they are just developing the hospital, right? So first they are developing the hospital. So the Mandip maternity and child hospital has developed. So after this, a workshop will be for the new fathers development. Then a nurturing the relationship with their child is, we can write the child relationship with start, right? So this will be the meaningful order. Just go through it. Yes, so here's your next. Rearrange the given sentence is most appropriate sequence in a meaningful paragraph. So it's not unhealthy to allow the past to choke our future. Most of the news reports are unpleasant compared to the past. Hence, we need to move ahead and leave the past behind. This gives room for nostalgia and we sit back over past glories. Yes, come on. Answer this. B. WSPM. B, B, B. Everyone is saying B. No other option. A, C, D and all. No other option. A, C, D. No, only B. No. Okay, your answer is B. Superb, Dhamma. So most of the news reports are unpleasant compared to the past, and this gives the room for nostalgia, and we sit back over past glories, and it's not unhealthy, isn't it? It's not it unhealthy to allow the past to choke your future. So hence, we need to move ahead and leave the past behind. W is the general statement. That's why it should come first. Super, Dhamma. So here, the given question, a sentence has been splitted into four parts, namely A, B, and C and D. Choose the correct order. So John inaccessible, the success of her books soon made to her fans. What is the correct order, ma? Yes. Option D. So C, D, B, A. C, D, A, B means soon made to her fans. John inaccessible, the successor of her books. So B, someone is saying B. So B means B, the success of her books to her fans. John inaccessible, soon made. C, the success of her books soon made John inaccessible to her fans. Yes. Correct. Correct. Yes. Sir, actually, your answer is C. So, the success of her book soon made John inaccessible to her fans. Superb, Dhamma. So, next, order the sentences to form a coherent paragraph. So, the night sky has to be moderately dark for the stars to show up well. Add to that a cloudless night, a group of campers, and several telescopes. And what do you have? So, stay parties take place at national parks, state campgrounds, and observatories away from city lights. A star party, of course. Yes, come on. Answer this. Option C. Option C. Everyone is saying option C. Okay, someone is saying B and someone is saying A. Yes. The correct answer is option B. So first, the night sky has to be moderately dark for the stars to show up well. Then, to add the cloudless night, a group of campers and several telescope. And what do you have? A star party, of course. So star parties take place at national parks, state campgrounds, and observatories, and away from city lights. Superb, Dhamma. Right. So here's your next question. The sentence B to E are in jumbled order. Choose the correct order. So while preparing for a group discussion, it is important to train yourself to be a good listener. Writing essays on various topics is also the good way of developing thought structure and presenting it logically. Therefore, develop the patience to listen attentively, keeping in mind that everyone has something valuable to say. It is equally important to remember to articulate your point of view in a way that is easy for others to comprehend. But before that, inculcate the good habit of structuring your thoughts and presenting them logically. Lastly, learn to be open minded and recognize the fact that people think differently about your issues. So, CBDE, EDBC, DEBC, and CDEB. So, this is your answer. Actually, A is in correct order, right? So, A is in correct order, and you need to say, and F is also correct order. So, you need to arrange B, C, D, E. Option B, EDBC. Yes. Yes. Option C. So here's your option. So option C, option D. Actually, your answer is option C. Right? So D, E, B, C. So D is, it is equally important to remember to articulate your point of view in ways as easy to others to comprehend. And then E, B, C will be a correct answer. Just go through this. D, E, B, C. So like this, questions will be asked. So read the sentence and passages fully, and then you can answer it. Right? Direct, indirect, done, ma'am. No, ma. So next, while preparing for exams, so B to E in a jumbled order. So while preparing for exams, remember to give yourself enough time to study. After you have overcome your weak areas, test yourself by taking as many mock tests as possible to get used to the test. So now start with the preparation of your weak areas and focus on making them your strong areas. So begin by analyzing your strong as well as weak areas in all the subject. Practice on old exam paper too, as this helps you to know the pattern of questioning. In the end, it is helpful if you revise any key points in each lesson a day before the exam. Yes. So CDBE, DBCE, CDEB, and DCBE. Come on. Yes, come on, come on, come on. CDBE, CDEB, CDBE, DCBE. The correct answer is DCBE. Superb. Superb, Dhamma. So answer is DCBE. Right. So here's your next. So this is, he felt justified in by passing Congress altogether on a variety of moves. So, but at times he was fighting the entire Congress. Bush felt he had a mission to restore power to the presidency. So Bush was not fighting just the Democrats. Representative democracy is a messy business, and a CEO of the White House does not like a legislature of second guesses and time wasters. So what is the option? I have already shown the option, right? Yes, I have already shown the option, right? Option D. So ECDBA is your correct answer, Dhamma, right? So here's your next. So coherent paragraph. So this is because your witness will be called upon to testify in the court if the bill is ever challenged. Lawyers advise people to use witness who are younger than they and are likely to outlive them. You can make a will as simple as you want. You need to sign the document in the presence of two witnesses who will then have to put the signature on it. If it helps if a doctor is a witness, then the document is signed in his presence. So this is because he could be called upon to testify to the stability of your mental condition when you drew up the will. Yes, so here's your option. A, B, C, D, E, C, B, A, D, E, D, C, B, A, E, C, D, B, A, E. So again, I'm showing this. Yes, come on. Option A, B, C, D, E. Answer is C, B, A, D, E. C, B, A. You can make as simple as you want. So from starting this, CBADE will be your answer, right? So just go through the paragraph, go through the meaning, whatever they are given. Then only you can easily answer it, Dhamma, right? So here, in other words, so we'll move on to the next topic now. After this, so in other words, the more you are identified with your mind, the more you suffer. The intensity of the pain depends on the degree or resistance to the present moment, and this in turn depends on how strongly you are identified with your mind. The mind always seeks to deny the now and to escape from it. Or you may put it like this: the more you are able to honor and accept the now, the more you are free of pain of suffering and the free of egoistic mind. The pain that you create now is always some form of non-acceptance and some form of unconscious resistance to what is. Your option CBEAD, ECBAD, sorry, EBCAD, ECBAD, and CDBAE. Yes, come on, just go through it carefully and tell me what will be the correct order. Option B, EBCAD, yeah. EBCAD. So your answer is EBCAD. Sorry, EBCAD. So this is your answer. Wait, I have already told you, just concentrate on the answers. Concentrate on the points and you can answer, right? The next we are going to learn is vocabularies, right? So vocabularies is nothing but you will be having synonyms or antonyms, right? You will be having synonyms or antonyms. So find out the correct option for the alternative provided. So on public occasions, she was very punctilious about forms and manners. So serious, careful, artificial, and casual. Yes. Serious. Yes, come on. D, casual, careful. Casual B. Superb, Damas. Your answer is careful. On public occasion, she was very careful about forms and manners. Right? Right. Superb, Damas. So next, to send an unwanted person out of the country. So find out the correct alternative option. Deport. Deport. Is this correct? C, deport. Yes, your answer is deport. So to send an unwanted person out of the country is called as the deport. Superb, Dhamma. Right, so here's your next slide. So choose a suitable antonym for the given word. Aware. So obvious, careless, doubtful, unsure. Aware. Unsure. Aware is unsure. Be oblivious, doubtful, Yes. Yeah. Answer is oblivious. Right. So aware is nothing but oblivious. That is antonym for the oblivious is aware. So this is the opposite of the particular word. Antonyms is called as the opposite, and synonyms is called as the meaning. Right. So next, choose suitable antonym. Hapless, fortunate, unhappy, abundant, cheerful. Yes, fortunate, unhappy, abandoned, careful. Option C, fortunate, abandoned, fortunate. Yes. B, unhappy. So correct answer is fortunate. So hapless, fortunate will be a suitable antonym. Right, so here's your next. The wildlife photography competition is strictly for amateurs. So express the meaning for the underlined word. Amateurs. The wildlife photography competition is strictly for amateurs. So non-professionals, juniors, foreigners, and professionals. So you are all saying it's option D. Option D, juniors, professionals, juniors, professionals, juniors. Option D. So answer is non-professionals. The wildlife photography competition is strictly for amateurs. Amateurs is nothing but its meaning is non-professionals. Right? Meaning is non-professionals. So then we are going to learn about phrasal verbs and idioms. So phrasal verbs and idioms. Phrasal verbs and idioms. What is mean by phrasal verbs and what is mean by idioms? Duh? Muhaver in Hindi. Okay. So what does mean by phrasal? Idioms is like a proverb. Superb, ma. So idioms is like a proverb then. So we need to find the alternative meaning for that particular verb with the use of proverbs, right? So here a wet blanket means a person who's always drunk, a person who discourages enjoyment or enthusiasm, to wear black and white clothes, and person who ends enjoyable activity. So wet blanket means, what does mean by wet blanket? Yes. Option A, option B, then option C, then option A, option C, option B. The person who discourages enjoyment or enthusiasm, that is called as wet blanket. Yes. So actually your answer is a person who discourages enjoyment and enthusiasm. So that is called as the wet blankets. So that is called as the wet blankets. right? So next, after this session, I will tell you about NQT, about the partitions and all, right? So find out the correct alternatives, right? To put one's foot down means concede, not to yield, resign, withdraw. Withdraw, withdraw. So CD, resign, withdraw. So to put one's foot down means his answer is not to yield, right? So answer is not to yield, right? So next, when I was looking for my passport, I dashed the photograph of my grandfather. Came across, came around, came out with, came to. Yeah, came across. Came across. Came across. Yes, your answer is came across. So the answer marks is not given. Actually, your answer is, what is your answer? Came across will be your answer. Superb, Dhamma. Right? So now, I couldn't keep the track of everything he was saying. He talks at a mile a minute. He talks at a mile a minute. So, in a complicated way and all unrealistic things and too fast, boast too much. Option C, he talks at a mile a minute. Yes, your answer is too fast. Super, Dhamma. Right. So here, our accountant has been fired as there was some monkey business with the books. So stealing activities, mischievous or deceitful behavior, funny activity and displacement. Option A. So your answer is mischievous or deceitful behavior. Right. So here is your next. The party got out of hand and the guests started to throw bottles at each other. So become a mess, got disturbed, out of control, was a failure. See, superb Dhamma. So your answer is out of control. Superb Da. So next, sticking to your guns at this point is a bad decision. Desiring to fight, wanting to give up, refusing to change one's mind, and not convincing others. Right? So answer is C. Refusing to change one's mind. Right? So here's your voice and speeches. Right? So sentence has been given in active or passive voice. So you need to change the sentence. The preliminary exam was passed by over 2/3 of the applications of the civil services. So your options: over 2/3 of the application of the civil services pass the preliminary exam, are passing the preliminary exam, have passed the preliminary exam, and services pass the preliminary exam. Yes, this is your last slide, ma. So what is your answer, ma? Option C. So your answer is option A. So over 2/3 of the applicants of the civil services passed the preliminary exam. Right. Let's make a note of it. So here, I have brought your book. I have brought your book. So your book is brought. Your book has been brought by me. Your book has brought by me. Your book have been brought. B B B B B D D D D D C C C C C then C D. So your answer is option B. Your book has been brought by me. Right? I'm changing the active voice and passive voice and passive voice to active voice. Right? So next, the committee is considering action on the bill. The committee is considering action on the bill. So action on the bill is considered by the committee. Action on the bill was considered by the committee, is being considered by the committee, was being considered by the committee. A, C, A, C, D, then C. So answer is C. The action on the bill is being considered by the committee. Superb, Dhamma. Yes, make a note of it. Right, so next. John said there is a monkey outside the window. John said there was a monkey outside the window. John said there is a monkey outside the window. John says that there was a monkey. John says that there is a monkey. Yes. Yes. So option D. So John said that there was a monkey outside the window. Right. Superb, Dhamma. So next. She said, I'm driving to the college tomorrow. She said that she is driving to college tomorrow. She said that she was driving to the college the next day. She says that she was driving to the college tomorrow. She said that she has been driving to the college in the next day. Option B, yes. She said that she was driving to the college the next day. Superb, Dhamma. So here, he said, I washed my shirts yesterday. He said, I washed my shirts yesterday. So he says that he had washed his shirt the day before. He said that he had washed his shirt yesterday. He said that he had washed his shirt the next day before. He said that he had been washed his shirts the day before. Option C. Yes. So he said that he had washed his shirts the day before. Superb, Dhamma. So wait. So your slide is over. So I'll tell you the importance of NQT now. Right. So wait a sec. So actually TCS is having 3 variants, right? So one variant will be NQT, another variant will be subject, another variable will be industry. So NQT will be variants will be NQT, that is they will see the cognitive test, that is attitudinal alignment test, that is psychometric test will be, yes, where will we get the recorded session? I will let you know tomorrow, da. Right? And then subject NQT means it will be they will be hiring that IT programming skills and will be basic computer skills, and also they are hiring the accountant position also. if you are an industry side, means if you want, they are hiring information technology people and banking sector and retail sector and banking and financial sector, right? So you can the person who is, yes, I'm just telling here. So up to August 15, you can register for your TCS NQT, and the people who's not registered, you can go through the next step, that is a campus commune. So inside this campus commune, you will be having the next step. So using your next step, you can educational marks criteria. You hello, ma'am. Arts degree also, Dama. If you are having more than 60% in 10th and 12th standard and UG, you can apply. Hello, ma'am. I contact the TCS executive. They told there is no educational marks criteria. The only thing is there should be no gap of 2 years, and you have to write the exam, Dama. Right? You need to write the exam. So the last date of TCS NQT will be August 15, right? And the last date of registration, and your exam will be, I hope, it will be conducted on August 30, right? Yes, you can also apply it, but up to this, you should have above 60% of marks. I hope BSc second year is not eligible. In November, which TCS Digital will be conducted in November. So, right, if you are a third year, you can apply for the TCS Digital, ma. Sorry, TCS NQT. Yes, ma, Tirumudi Nachiyar, you can also apply, ma. You are third year student. Yes, BCA students can also apply. Whether you people are arts and science, no issues. All the people can apply, but you should have, that is 2018, 2019. Wait. 2018 passed out people, 2019 and 2020, 21, 22. These 5-year passed out people only can apply. So you are studying second year. So when will be your passed out year, ma? 2023 or 24, right? Yes, ma. 2000 from 2018 to 2022. 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022 passed out people can apply, right? So go to your campus commune, and if you can apply only if you are having percentage about 10 standard, 60% about 10 standard and 12 standard and UG, and you should not have any backlog, right, ma'am? Can you share the link of English comprehension, right, where we can practice these type of question? Send me your number personally. So wait, ma, I'll send the number to everyone here. Ma, please, 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22. Those passed out students can apply, ma. Right? BE third year means when you're going to pass out, ma. 2022, right? So you people can apply. 2022 passed out also can apply. So this is one number. I will give you the another number. If you are having any doubts, you can contact us. You can send me the messages here. MCA students can give the exam. Yes, ma, MCA students, MBA students, BTech students, BE students, everyone can apply. Check with the next step, ma. Yes. Ma, BTech third year students, which year you will be getting passed out? So I'm telling 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22 students can write the exam, ma. This period of 2021 and 23 application last date will be August 15. If you're having any doubts, if you're having no doubts, means you can leave the session. The session is over. So tomorrow online, ma. So from tomorrow we will be having another 4 sessions. So webinar series is there, so attend the remaining sessions also. Try to attend the remaining sessions, right? So if you're having no doubts, you people can leave. And thank you so much for attending today's session. I have given the number also, 2 contact numbers I have given. You can contact, you can text any one of them, right? So same time, 6:30 to 8:30. I have given 2 numbers. You can contact both the numbers and we will send you the queries, right? Yes, ma. Those have complete. Those are, those people have not any doubts, means you can leave. Thank you so much, Dhamma. Try to attend the remaining sessions also. Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just check with the if can I